What you do when you have the revelation sent to you, do you respond to it or not? Do you lie against it or not? Do you send forward your iman? Or do you procrastinate and leave behind the opportunity to accept the truth? بِمَا قَدَّمَتْ وَأَخَّرَتْ, what is mentioned here in this surah previously. So they are now the ones recording your deeds. Hafidhin. They're archived. They're not letting any one of your deeds go to waste without it being put down. Anybody else, any guard over anything, is there a moment that they kind of get tired, get a little lazy, fall asleep for a few seconds, turn away, get distracted, take a lunch break, right? These hafidhin, different level. And we'll see what makes them at a different level. The next ayah tells us, kiraman. They're noble. And their nobility is a part of the job, especially when you protect something, then corruption is a big issue. We talked about this in the delivery of the message too. And this is the same issue here. This is an important task too. The message is coming, and we have to make sure that it comes with an entourage that keeps it safe. But then on the other hand, the message is your deeds are being recorded. Then, what are they doing the whole time? Not even yaktubun, katibin. Ism fa'il is used, which means that they're consistently writing. They don't stop. There's not a moment that they stop. Either they're writing bima qaddama, or they're writing bima akhara. Yunabba'ul insan yawma idhin bima qaddama wa akhara. There's never a moment. Either you're sending a deed forward, or you're leaving a deed behind. And they're constantly writing. Constantly. And the good deeds you're sending forward, the bad deeds you're sending forward. They're constantly busy. Kiraman katibin. Then Allah says, يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ. They know what you're doing. And that's the other thing. A guardian, it's one thing, you can get through him if he's corrupt. Yeah, you pay him off and you get through. What's another way you can get past the guardian, a security guard? You could slip by his grid. He wouldn't know that you passed through. Right? That's the other way you can get past that's the security. Here Allah says what? يَعْلَمُونَ. No, you can't get around the security. They know everything you're doing. Now here, interestingly enough, we find something. They know تَفْعَلُونَ. Fi'l is used. Fi'l is any act. Amal is akhas. It's more, specific kind of act. And amal is used for a conscious act, an act that you do with the intention and, that's amal. But fi'l is any act. Even breathing is a fi'l. Walking is a fi'l. They know every single fi'l. يَعْلَمُونَ مَا تَفْعَلُونَ. But the other thing here is Allah did not mention that they know our intentions. This is a hadith I owe you for next week. I'll paraphrase it this week. Allah Azza wa Jal commands the angels to record the good deeds one good deed for this guy. And they say he didn't do anything. Allah says he intended to do an evil and he stopped. So record a good deed. So do they know the intention? No, but they know the deed itself. And what's this beautiful in the Quran? They know the deed. On the Day of Judgment, Allah Azza wa Jal describes this person who comes with these deeds. وَقَدِمْنَا إِلَى مَا عَمِلُوا مِنْ عَمَلٍ. Right? وَقَدِمْنَا مَا عَمِلُوا مِنْ عَمَلٍ. We come forward with whatever deeds they had done. Meaning the angels had recorded them. He was like, this is on my record. But did Allah know that these deeds were done with bad intentions? So فَجَعَلْنَاهُ هَبَاءً مَنْثُورًا. We turn it into scattered dust. Allah destroys those deeds. He thinks He has something. So they record, yes. But is there even a better recorder? Even than the angels? Subhanallah. So in another place in the Quran, Allah says, وَاللَّهُ خَيْرٌ حَافِظًا. Subhanallah. They're hafidhin. Allah says Allah is even better a hafidh.